First, ma'am sent maths, then I send the link for EVS. Okay. Now, children, don't disturb me in between. Good morning to all. You have to listen carefully. Whoever I'm calling is absent. I don't know. It's only 50 children. 20, 30 children are not present. Take out your EVS textbook. Animals are friends. Get ready soon. Now listen. I think we can start. Okay. I'll show you the page, which we are going to do now. Or take out your pencil, eraser, and get ready. Animals are friends. When I show the page, you will know which page number. Now see here, take page 60. Let us answer. See, I won't be able to scream now. So better listen carefully. Take out the page number. Be independent. Yes. Let us answer. You write today's date over here. Today's date is 27/1. 27/1. Now I need Shashwata, read the first question and tell me the answer. Read the first question, Shashwata. Not there. Shaina.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shashwata. Other children get ready.
This farm animal gives us egg.
Yeah.
Hen.
Yeah, very good. Please put a tick mark. Others, please listen because I don't want to scream here. Good, Shashwata. Now, Shaina, second one. Shaina, second one. Now, see, this only is Shama. Children, very hard for me to put.
Ma'am, Shaina, ma'am.
Shaina, why you are so slow, Shaina?
Ma'am, my microphone.
Okay, now be attentive. Okay, tell me the second one, Shaina. Now I'm calling Shama, then she will come, then you will come. Okay, Shaina, read the second one.
This is made from the skin of dead animals.
Yeah. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, leather, ma'am.
Very good. Because you are not there, I don't know, you missed some classes, no? Okay. Arush, good. Arush, third one for me. Third one, read for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one.
This animal lives in a den.
Animal. Only one animal. Animal.
Lions.
Lion. Good. Next
Thank
one,
you,
Akhil. Other children must understand how ma'am is wasting time, okay? Like this, waiting for each and every one. They are not present in class. Wasting your time. Ahil, please tell Ahil.
Ma'am, page number?
That's what I'm telling Ahil. You just get up from the sleep and come. Can you see the screen, the page number written so big? Very
No,
bad,
ma'am.
children, very bad. It's written so well on top, and you're just getting up and asking me the page number. Please pay attention. Parents, see that children attend the class, please. Okay, Akhil. Now I will go to the next person then. Alan, tell me that answer. We'll come back to Akhil when he takes the page. Okay. Alan, tell fourth one. Akhil, wait. You take the page, I will wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Alan, please tell fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. This is a flesh-eating animal. Tiger, ma'am.
Good.
Thank
Akhil, are
you.
you ready for the next question? Hurry up, Akhil. Okay, now next child is Akhilan. B, first one. True or false? Tell me. First. Shama.
Ma'am?
Tell me the first one. Read the first one and tell me whether it's true or false.
A dog is a pet animal. True.
True. Good. Now, all are getting mark. Okay, marks. Now, Tanvi, are you there? Tanvi? Naren? Read the next question. A tiger. It's very bad, children. Half of the class is not there. Okay, Prajan, read. I am wasting. Your time is wasted. Prajan, tell me. A tiger.
A tiger helped farmers in their fields. False.
Is it true?
False.
Good. Sachin, third one. Not there. Sanjay Krishna.
Sachin, ma'am.
Sachin, please read third one. Good. A rabbit.
Rabbit lives in a cave. False.
False. Very good. Sachin, be attentive. Okay. Now, Sanjay Krishna, read the fourth one. Sanjay. Not
bear
eats bear.
The bear eats both plants and flesh. True.
Very good. Certain things when we correct, do it. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Sona, did you complete, Sona?
Yes, ma'am. I went before you yourself.
Very good. Now, write P for plant-eating animals. Write F for flesh-eating animals. You can do it by yourself. One I will ask. You can do it. Complete that. Sanjeevan, tell me. Now, first one, lion, flesh-eating. So you have to write F. Goat, plant. So P. Sanjeevan, tell me about fox. Sanjeevan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me.
I'm Sanjeevan, ma'am.
Which letter I should write in that square, circle?
Flesh-eating. Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, very good, Sanjeevan. See, the child is attending. Very good. Sanjit, tell me. Next one you read. Hyena. Plant eating or flesh eating? Sanjit not there. Sri Mukilan.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me, fourth one, read the animal's name and tell me whether to write T or F.
Hyena.
Hyena. Plant eating or flesh eating?
Flesh
I
eating.
told. Now what should I write there in that circle? Srimukilan, answer soon.
F.
Flesh eating. What should I write?
F.
Yeah. Good. Tridev, next one. Read the animal's name and
Okay, ma'am.
Tridev.
Yes, ma'am. Jackal. Yes. Jackal.
Then
Cow.
F. Good. Enough. Good.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
very good.
Grass.
Saivasvi. Sixth one, read cow.
Grass.
Cow. Saivasvi,
Ma'am.
tell me cow.
Grass. Plant.
Letter, you tell me which letter I should write. Children, think children. Plant eating means you have to write P. Suddenly you will enter the class. Nobody is answering properly. Plant eating, you just tell P. Flesh eating, just say F. That's all. Second standard children. Sai Vasavi,
Ma'am.
which letter I should write over there?
P, ma'am.
Yes. And you have to attend the class regularly. Okay. Whenever I'm not there, you have to attend. Okay, good girl. Now next one, Jeff.
Yes,
Jeff,
ma'am.
tell Jeff, read the seventh one and tell me.
P.
Yes, buffalo P. See, you must read the animal's name also, okay? Now, eighth one is Niral. Niral. Not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, eighth one, read the animal name. And the letter. Which one should I should write? Eighth one.
P.
Sheep.
P, ma'am.
Told you sheep, you have to write P. So sheep, P. Next one, Abisha.
Ma'am.
Read ninth one.
Okay, ma'am.
I want you to read that name. Ninth one, Abisha.
Rabbit, ma'am.
Rabbit. P or F?
P, ma'am.
Good. Next child is Akshaya E. Read 10th. Each one I have to tell, read. Akshaya, tell me the animal's name. 10th one. Wolf. Wolf.
Yes, ma'am. Wolf is
Which
yes,
letter?
F.
Good. Achida MP is not there. Artrika, Achida is there. Achida MP. She comes and she leaves. I have to tell ma'am. Now 11th one. Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read 11th one, Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am. Horse.
Say. Horse. What should I write?
P.
P. Next one, Evelyn Zara. Evelyn. Evelyn. Not there. Getsia.
Ma'am. Walter. F.
Very good. F. Scavengers. Okay. Now, children, what are domestic animals? All that we know. Any two food, we'll just see to it later. Okay. All think and answer. Sumi's grandparents have a farm. They eat eggs every day. Also drink. Which animal do you think they have on the farm? So they eat egg means they'll have hens, and drink milk means cow. Okay. Let's see this one. Now, this activity in your leisure time, you can find out from your friends. Don't do it now. Your friends have pets. You must know the friend's name, what pet they have, and the name of the pet. Not now. All the project work and all will give end of the week, not now. Okay. Now, fun to do. Yes, I want Pratika Arvi. No, sorry. Jemima. Jemima. Fun to do. Who am I? Jemima. Answer, Jemima.
Ma'am, I'm Pratika.
Pratika.
Ma'am.
Pratika, you wait. Let them do first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. I just want now when I call your name, you come, children. After 4 names are called, you are telling I am this and that. Please adjust, cooperate with me. Now I want Jemima. Jemima. Are you there, Jemima? Not there. Israelina. Israelina.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Israelina, ma'am.
Good, Israelina, because I'm calling in order. Please read, who am I?
Ma'am, Alice. Alice.
Follow me down the whole. Listen.
Me.
To Wonderland. Listen, children, 1 minute. Whole to Wonderland. You know what? I am that.
Mummy. The rabbit.
So I don't know. And please, the way, children. Don't all together. Don't talk. Alice in Wonderland. That story. I am a. Who's this talking to? All of you turn off your mic. Abhisha, Felina, Tridip, Getsia, Jemima, all. Sri Mukilan, turn off your mic. All are talking together. What's wrong with your children? Sri Mukilan, turn off your mic. Pratika, Getsia, Tridip.
Ma'am, my mic is off only.
I don't know, it's not shown here. 1 minute.
Ma'am, my mic is off only, ma'am.
Okay, please. But it's on over here. Now it's off. Now it's off. Sri Mukilan, turn off your mic. All together asking, talking. Now listen. Israelina, tell me the answer for that.
Rabbit, ma'am.
Very good. Tell me the spelling. Rabbit spelling.
R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit.
Please fill in, children. And Jemima, I saw Jemima over there. Good, good. Israelina, Jemima, please answer the next one. Read that. I help
to get out of the net. I am a mouse.
Spell the word.
M-O-U-S-E, mouse.
Yes, good. Juansri. Juansri, next one, please read. Pratika, read third one. Juansri, don't come again, okay, please. Don't disturb. Pratika, please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratika, third one.
Goldilocks came to our house. We are the 3 bears, ma'am.
Very good. Spell the word.
B-E-A-R-S.
Very good. You have to read the B-E-A-R-S. Good. Next child is from?
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, good. Next child. Akshara. Akshara. Akshara, please come fast. Okay, Effie. Akshara is getting 0, okay. Effie, read fourth one, Effie.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
I
read fourth
tried
one.
to scare Little Red Riding Hood. I am a wolf.
Spelling.
WOLF. Wolf.
Good. Fatima, last one. Fatima's not there. Joshua. Where's Joshika?
Oh, man.
Kanira. Last one, Kanira.
Ma'am, I'm Jessica.
Where are you, Joshika? No, I call Kanira. No, you have to come at once. That means you are not in class. Okay, Kanira, let Joshika answer because in order I'm asking.
Okay, ma'am.
Joshika, tell.
I could not reach the grapes, so I called them.
Sa.
So I
Sa.
am a fox.
Fox, very good. Children, please attend the class regularly. Yes. Birds feel thirsty in summers. Now, a small thing for you. Take a clay bowl or any, fill it with water, keep it on your terrace or outside your window. Enjoy looking at birds drinking water. Okay. The early children, even in our school, on that tree behind that nurse's room, they have kept a big bowl like, and feed is their food for the is kept on the tank, water tank over there. And it looks so nice. Now, nothing like that. We are going back. Now, activity. You have to write. Show. Now, listen. Listen, children, do it. Friend's name you write. Write your friend's name. Any friends, not now, later, okay? You can write and kind of pet you can find, okay? It's your activity or homework. Okay, children? That later you just write, let's do activity. One project I will tell you. Now look at this. On a sheet of chart paper, draw an outline of a tree. Instead of, oh, this is better to take a chart paper or A4 sheet, draw an outline of a tree, spread glue on it, not in a hurry. You can do it weekend. A4 sheet is enough. Inside of the outline, paste pictures of different birds. So it should be small. Chart means it will be very big. So better you can take a chart. I'll give you at least 1 week. Okay. 1 week time you can do this. All of you listen, look at this. You're in second standard. You all can sit and do whenever you're free. Okay. See here on a sheet of chart paper. Now let me see how many of you are playing the fool. Okay, children. Ange, I heard a noise. I knew it was you. Today is the last day I'm going to tell Principal Ma'am about you personally because there is a limit for everything. Sri Mugilan, turn off your mic. He just made a noise and Ange is keeping the earphones. So nobody will hear what I'm telling him. The other day I just asked the other.
Ma'am, my mic is always off.
Okay, but now it's off, Sri Mugilan. It was on before. Okay. Kanira, turn off your mic. Now listen, children, the project you can do. Listen carefully, Sri Mugilan. And I'm talking about your assignment.
Sorry,
you are not supposed to do anything. After I put the marks, no excuses. I lost this, that, and all. Some children have sent the assignment without certain sums and all that. Okay, no issues after this. You have to be very careful. I didn't ask you to send it so soon. You have after February 1st, you can send even 25th after. So whenever you do things, do it neatly. Only after February 1st, I will check. So if there is any mistake, it will be like that. I won't send it to you back to resubmit. That means you have to do by yourself. Copy all the questions, write all the answers slowly, one by one. Okay, children, now listen. You have to take a chart paper. Sri Mugilan, you can leave the classroom if you want to lie down. Okay. And after that, each one will be asking to other parents what to do. Take a big chart paper. I'm just telling you, you have to listen. And draw an outline of a tree. You take the pictures of birds, different birds. It's better to take small pictures and paste it. Easy to do, don't spread glue on the sheet. Behind that picture, put up little. Sri Mugilan, please listen. Little gum you just apply behind or Fevicol and put it on the sheet. Otherwise, the sheet will be dirty. Okay, you can do it slowly. I'll give you 5 or 6 days. Not now. I want you to submit only 5th of February. I will ask you to show during the special class time. So whenever there is no deadline, whenever you're free, that is during your leisure time, you can just do it. 65 children are there today. So I'm just telling you, you can ask doubt after class every day, after 11 o'clock. Not in between, not disturbing the teachers in between. Now, Effie, tell me, what is your drawing and pasting? Tell me what work I gave you. Effie is going to tell others, listen. Yes.
Ma'am, you said we should take a sheet and draw a tree and put glue in it and cut small pictures of birds and stick in it, ma'am.
Very good. Big chart you take because it will look nice. Okay, big chart. So I'll give you marks for the internals. Okay. Those who are not attending the class, I will just send it later, not now. Okay. Some children will have some technical problem or whatever it is. So take a big chart and just an outline of a tree. Okay. And after sticking the pictures of birds, you can draw the branches should be there inside branches and the leaves after that. So it will look nice. Okay. Rahil, please settle there. Don't be jumping, Rahil. Now let's see. Every day you have to read. You have to read the lesson. Then only you will know now things we get, and you have to learn. Another work, you can call your friends. You write any 3 friends. You call any 3 friends. Write their names over here. If you are in class, means I should ask you to take like just write off 3 friends. You can ask. Right.
Ma'am, I did one of my friend.
Now listen, don't say anything now, please. I'm talking to all the children, okay? Not one of the friends, one of the friends. Now listen, I'm talking to everybody. You can write 3 names of your friends, 3 good friends. Anyone. And the pet, it's a cat or a dog or a fish. A name of the pet. Let me see how many of you are fast in doing this. If you're interested, you will be able to do it fast. Okay. Name of the pet you have to write. Here, kind. Whether it's a cat or a dog or a fish. Here the name. Okay. It's like that. Okay, children. And hope all are keeping good health. Hope all are fine, not falling sick, but many are absent today. Okay, children. Okay. Now let's see. how we are going to do the work, because those who are listening to me will do the work. I told you no deadline, you can do it Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. And whenever you're free, you can start now. Today you don't have French class, so that time you have to sit and learn French. Do something. This boy is always talking, this Sri Mukilan, full time talking to someone there.